Today we are going to have a skill builder program on organic compounds containing halogens. So the discussion will be mostly based on questions because I have already developed some information on this. Now the first question, we will take a few questions of the multiple choice type followed by a few other varieties of questions. The first question will be, this is relating to halogens. Normally whenever we discuss about the halogen or organic halogen compounds, the strength of the carbon halogen bond is very important. So the first question asked is, which of the following bond is a stronger bond? So these are the four things that are given. It is actually, even though it is given as CH3F, its bond is actually between carbon and fluorine. So carbon fluorine, carbon iodine, carbon chlorine and carbon bromine are the bonds that are part of this. Therefore, which of these is stronger is a question. Now for this we should have a rough idea of the bond strength or what is known as bond dissociation energy. It is known as bond dissociation energy. Bond dissociation energy is the amount of energy needed to break that bond. So what will be the bond dissociation energy of all these four bonds? As for example, for the carbon fluorine bond, the bond dissociation energies are given in terms of kilojoules per mole. Kilojoules per mole. Therefore, what will be the value for this? So carbon fluorine bond is 451 kilojoules per mole. Carbon iodine bond is 434. And carbon chlorine bond is 349 and carbon bromine bond is 293 kilojoules per mole. So immediately you can find out that the highest value among this series is actually for the carbon chlorine bond or in the case of methyl chloride. So the answer for this is the strongest bond is actually carbon fluorine bond, which accounts for 451 kilojoules per mole. It can be converted suitably into kilocalories also, but generally the convention is to give it by in terms of kilojoules and therefore we are giving the value. One important inference that is to be made from this being that carbon fluorine bond being the strongest at 400 kilojoules per mole, it is very difficult to break that bond. Therefore, it will be a very poor leaving group in terms of normally the halides are chosen among the organic halogen compound because of their leaving ability. So this will be a very poor leaving group because of the high dissociation energy, and the other values are comparison just for the sake of information they are given here.